we don't see any swale, because the tilling is year after year. It just slowly creeped until now it's not even level anymore. It actually pitches to the left this way, and then the whole field goes down the end of the point and ponds out at the end of the point that way. And so what I do every fall is I'll drive by with my subsoiler, and I cut a trench along this side of the tree roots so they don't go out into the asparagus, and I drive along here, and you drag the subsoiler to prevent the tree roots from going out into the alley, and then of course I'll drive through the alley here to help eliminate any compaction and to get air in there. And we will follow any annual produce crop with at least 1 year and most often 2 years of active cover. So those of you who are growing any kind of annual crop, in the fall after we harvest the crop, we'll plant winter rye or winter wheat. Then the next spring, as the ground is firm and moist and starts to warm up, we'll top seed with yellow sweet clover, red clover, and white clover. So we have a 3-story clover going on. The grain, the rye or the wheat will grow up. We let that go to maturity. Sometimes we graze it once before it goes to seed. And then when it's at maturity, we'll either bale it, combine it, or just roll it and to incorporate the seed with the straw. Then the clover grows through all the rye debris. The rye starts to resprout, and we let the clover go to seed. And when the clover's gone to seed, we either graze it or mow it. We haven't baled the dry clover in seed yet. And then the rye will grow through the clover straw, and then that'll be there next spring, the second year. And we've calculated basically that's about 20,000 pounds of hard woody organic matter that we're putting into the soil every single year right on the spot. So 20,000 pounds, that's a heck of a lot of material if you want to put it in the wheelbarrow and haul it around. I wonder how much that organic matter in a dump truck would weigh. I know by cubic volume, like a 20-yard dump truck, but I wonder how much the organic matter would weigh. So that's how we built, the soil that we have, and it also ties back to Sam's question that we don't want to use a chisel plow, because what the chisel plow would go into this alley, turn everything to black